In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about donut and points. First of all, start with the donut. If you click on donut, it is asking for specify inside diameter of donut. Like I will say 5 units. Click enter. After that, specify outside diameter of donut. I will say 10. Enter. Right away, it is showing a 2 circle component like specify center of donut. Like wherever you want, you can click and it will create a donut. That's it. Use of it is you can use it for symbols, wall symbols and all. You can use it. And next one, point. In AutoCAD, we have single point and multiple point at a divide measure. These two methods are majorly we use while drawing, most useful. If you click on single point, right away, like I already told you how to create point in AutoCAD. Simply you can specify point with those methods. Like I will say 10, 10, click enter. Right away it is created a point over here. That's it. If you click on multiple point, you can create multiple points gradually, number of points, and go with divide and measure. First of all, we will go with the divide. To explain divide method, I am creating a line. I will use ortho and I will switch off dynamic input. Show the direction. I am creating 20. Like this line length is 20. If you select this line, you will get 3 points, and I want to divide this into 5 pieces. Then you need to go with point and divide. It is asking for select object to divide. I am selecting line. Right away it is asking the number of segments or block. How many segments you want to divide. Like I said, I want 5 segments. Click enter. If you go and select this line, there is not much change on it. But if you select with the selection window, you can observe 4 points are created to divide this line into 5 segments. Got it? It is like drawing a points, right? So on the object it will create a it will create number of points to divide into number of segments. These all are equal segments. For example, I am using a line command, unknown value. I don't know what is the length of this object, but I want to divide it into 5 pieces. So point, divide, select this object, 5, enter. Again it is creating 4 points to divide into 5 segments. In this method, any object will be divided into number of segments with equal distance. If you want to check, go with the first point, hover over smoothly, it will create a node point. Point means node. Some value, again some value, both are equal, right? So in divide method, object will be divided into number of segments with equal distance. Next one will be measure. So to explain measure, again I am taking the length 20 mm line. You already know this object length, and I am want to divide it into divide into number of pieces using measure method. If I click on measure, it is asking for select object to measure. Click here, and it is asking for specify length of segment. Like you need to specify how much length you need. Like I am specifying length 5 units. If I click here, you already guessed correct. It is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, total 20. So this is how you can divide any object. But one difference I want to show, like in measure method, say after selecting the object, if you specify length, you already know this length, like it's a 20. If I suppose I have specified 6 unit, like not even value, it is creating point like this, 6, 6, 6, total 18 plus 2. So in measure method, we can't divide all segment with equal measurement. It will take from nearby onwards up to the possible length, and the rest of it will be left alone. So this is the point measure option. Hope you understand this. This is all about donut and points. Thanks for watching. Take care.